Good morning, fellow YouTubers. We are going to be going out thrifting today. Sorry. Excuse me, it's still early. So I figured I'd start the video with some of the stuff that we've sold in the last day. So I'm sure you've seen it on our other videos. Rich always looks through the records. He's sold quite a few this week, actually, just in the last, 48 hours. One of these, I'm not sure which one it is a Supremes record. He only deals in near mint or mint condition records. So he got 20 out of the Supremes record. The other one is something I can't remember the name of. I'm not real up to date on my audio stuff, but he got $5 for it on eBay, plus the cost of shipping. These are just a small lot of Avon bottles with the boxes. I actually garbage picked those over the winter at some point, and they got stuck in a death pile. They've been sitting for months. I finally was like, oh man, I'm just going to throw them up. I think I had like $4.99 auction start for 6 of them with the boxes, 2 of which were brand new. Sold for a little over $5. I think like $5.29 or something like that. So whatever, get them out of here. This one, if you guys watch our garbage picking videos, it was a short Monday route, a lot of scrap metal. I was digging through a box, I think, of Christmas lights, and there was a floral rope light plug-in wall hanging flower. So that sold on eBay for $6.50 plus shipping. This big box, if you watch our garbage picking videos, is that weird ice cream cone thing that we picked up on Sunday. I almost forgot it. I grabbed it right at the last second because I got distracted by the other stuff that was in that pile. Grabbed it at the last second, had no idea what it was. Got in the car, figured out it was a bank. It was a big vanilla ice cream cone bank. Look out for these resellers. I had no idea what it was. I got home, I looked it up. There is 2 different sizes. There's a 9.5-inch version and there's a 27-inch version. They make the strawberry, the chocolate, and the vanilla. Ours was the vanilla 27-inch blow mold safety cone bank. I found out, or I read, that they were a advertisement from Dairy Queen, and I listed it on eBay for $49.99 or best offer, and almost immediately started getting offers right around $40. So that seems to be the sweet spot with these, right around $40. I ended up taking a best offer of $39 within, I think, 24 hours of listing it. So I sold it for $40 plus shipping. This bottom box is a few records that Rich sold to a guy he knows off of Facebook. Lives in Wisconsin. They do a lot of deals back and forth. He's driven out here a couple times from Wisconsin for audio related gear. So there's a few records in that box that are headed to him. So I mean, all in all, we had a fairly decent couple of days on sales. So we got records, we got that safety cup bank, the ice cream cone vanilla bank, that rope light flower sculpture thing, the record that I don't remember what it's called, the Supremes record that sold for $20, and the lot of Avon bottles. So we're gonna go out today and see what else we can find. Alright, so here we are at the first place. They have some really cool stuff, but their prices have been going up and up and up. And half the time, stuff's not priced. Yeah, not gonna happen. But I did find some very unique pieces here, which is nice. Not gonna happen. But it's getting harder to find stuff that I can resell. That's cool, but no price. Let's roll through, see what else we can find. Wish my budget was a little better today. Piece is gorgeous. And it's only $70. It's very pretty. Can't do it today though. Saturday, which is tomorrow, I'm losing track of my days, is Rich's birthday. And so I'm trying to take him to a jazz show. But the tickets are kind of pricey. So I gotta watch what I spend today. Otherwise I won't be able to afford to get the tickets. And so far I haven't found any of those, oh my gosh, killer deals. Although we haven't even made it around once. A lot of people that do this don't deal in furniture. I'm lucky, I guess, in the fact that I've got extra storage space. And I'm able to store stuff. Prices today are kind of up there. Alright, I'll let you know if we find anything. I just wanted to show you this piece. It's massive. Very cool. I like it. It's unique. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I found those American Tourister train case. But it has no price tag on it. We're gonna go find somebody. At least ask. Alright, so we got $5 on the American Tourister, which honestly was my limit. It's like $1 higher than I'd want to go, but it's in good shape, so I think we're probably gonna bring it home. So I don't normally even go down this aisle, but I think from now on I'm gonna be checking to make sure I don't have any of those ice cream cone banks, which I don't see, of course. What I need to find is another battery bank. Ooh, maybe. I don't see a price on them. Some of those are Sony. I don't know how to actually look them up, but there's no price on them. I don't know, I gotta show Rich. Whatever, my phone won't do its job, but it's Pioneer. I'll show him. He's gonna test them. He's still going through stuff. Well, I've quite literally never ventured over here before. Prices look a little high. Oh well, we'll take a look, see what we can see. Whew, my arms are getting tired. It's hard to go through stuff like this because it just wears your arms out for a lot of nothing. But I did grab that for 50 cents. No idea. Still trying to learn that stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go through some more of these and then I'm gonna give up because my arm's getting sore. This one I'm not sure about. for 50 cents, I think. Yeah, 50 cents. I'm on the fence about that one. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, that's like the creepiest doll I've ever seen. I just passed it. I can't find anything on this. I can't find a logo. Nothing. So I'm putting that back. Those don't seem to be worth a lot, but I don't know how much they are either because they're not priced. And it starts.
I don't know if you can see it.
I don't know. I can't
There's
see.
a scratch.
I can't see anything. Oh, sorry, I had to cough. I can't tell yet, but I think that's the no pile. I'll let you know what he comes up with. Alright, on to the next. We're at the next store. I absolutely love this place. I don't ever find a ton of stuff, but they have really cool stuff that's just fun to look at. He's making faces. I don't know what that means.
Means we're giving these speakers for $15.
I don't know what they are, but he's making good faces.
Come on. Yes.
Do you need my help?
Hold on. Put a mine out.
I dropped out and moved to California. For the next best thing, got a pickup truck. I want a diamond ring.
No idea. He just realized they were $15 a piece and not 15 for the pair, so he's probably gonna leave them. Oh my god, how cute is this? Little Susie homemaker. No idea what it's worth, but it is cute. Alright, I'm gonna leave him right there to test stuff. We'll go peruse the rest of the stuff. And of course, again, I usually don't come up here, but in the off chance I find one of those Dairy Queen things, it's worth taking a chance. Taking a quick peruse through here. Oh, that's cute. Or those Little Tikes trucks. I guess it's like a plastic looking semi truck made by Little Tikes. I've done well with those in the past, but those are also really hard to come by. I think I might strike out. I don't see it either. Oh well, it was worth a shot. One of my favorite parts about the store. Huh, you own the place, right? They just pay the bills and clean your litter box, but you really own it. Yeah, I know. I was telling them. That looks familiar. We just garbage picked one of those on Wednesday. It's Friday. Alright, let's keep going. For somebody that does not know what they're doing.
Lucky for me, these speakers aren't labeled and they come from the factory that way, and I know what they are. They are Dynaco A25s, and this is what they sell for on eBay. So for $25, I think it's going to be a good deal.
Yep. I should look that up. I don't know. I don't know anything about ties either. I'm still trying to figure all this stuff out with clothes. I don't know. But I'm learning. One day I'll know. Alright, we're at the next place. I do always check for old wooden windows and old wooden doors. I found some cool little step stools and stuff here before too. But honestly, so far, I haven't found anything. Those are cool, but they want too much for them. Alright, let's go see what else we can find. So the doors are looking pretty bad. I don't see any that are old or unique at all. This might be a bust here. Alright, on to the next. Wonder what they want for this little dude. It's pretty sturdy. Worth asking about. We stopped for lunch before we came here. I am like ready for a nap. It was so good. I ate way too much. And now I just kind of want a nap. But it's sunshine and it's nice out. I'm gonna go and peep what's inside. Man, that thing is killer cool. But it's 100. Those Samsonite things were cool, but they don't have a price on them. And the inside had some damage. This place is not something that I would say is known for killer deals, especially on furniture and larger items. But you can find some good deals on the smaller stuff. $3 for a little wooden step ladder. I'll bite it $3. And they've got some really cool stuff. Although it's kind of dark in this aisle. It's just really expensive. Any of their antique stuff, whew, their prices can get really up there really fast. But on the little trinkets and smaller stuff, that's where you really gotta look. Dig through some shelves. That is. That thing's cool. Of course, not priced either. Alright, let's keep moving. Of course, no price on it. It's got like the picket fence sides. I might ask. Alright, they wanted 10 for the bookcase, which really isn't that bad, but I'm still trying to be careful with what I spend so I can afford the tickets for that jazz show for Rich's birthday, and I'm really coming down to the wire on that. Neither one of these have anything on them, but they're cool. Honestly, this one, they both seem newer to me, so I'm gonna leave them. And we always know where to find Rich. 25% off green tags. Furniture. Okay, can't go that way. They're doing some sort of work. That bed frame is pretty killer. Oh, only for $165. Just seems like everything is priced really high today. Alright, I will let you know if I find anything worth showing you. We very well may be in and out of here pretty quickly. Seriously, these are so cute. They're raincoats. I wish this place did like half off. Because they want $5 a piece. I'm not going to spend that. But they are cute, cute, cute.
You never know what you got, eh?
Just a tip, if you ever find the teapot that goes to that set, the courier knives, I believe there's a ship on it. It's worth about $40, $45 in good condition. I hardly ever find them. I think I found 2 in 10 years. But just thought I'd give you guys a little tip. Alright, this is our last stop for today. Wish us luck. Okay, so we got tan tags at 50% off. We got white tags at 25% off. Let's check out the furniture. $79.99. Nah, not seeing anything. Gotta look just in case. Okay, so I already looked through all the shelves and all the furniture. But this place has a ton of clothing. Tan tags are $5 or 50% off. Oh, I'm getting back into long sleeves. So it is worth at least digging through here a little bit. Although I don't know clothes yet. I'm still really early learning. But I see a lot of people make a lot of money off clothes. So I am trying to learn my brands. Okay, like that's a XXL Tommy Bahama for $8. I think it is 25% off, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna do it. I feel like $8 in general is just a little much, so we're gonna keep looking. Oh my gosh, I feel like we were in there forever. Bought a couple t-shirts. Rich got a record. My phone is dying, so I'm gonna do a quick wrap up in the truck. Alright, so we got a Corona t-shirt. It's got the Corona extra label. A Led Zeppelin t-shirt that I can't seem to straighten out. Oh well, you get the gist. Pioneer headphones, which I guess are extremely rare and are worth somewhere between $50 and $150. We got the train case, we got the wooden step ladder. Back there are those speakers that are also worth a bunch of money.
About 20 records.
Rich bought about 20 records. So I mean, all in all, not a horrible day, but I think with the electronics, speakers, and the Pioneer headphones, Rich wins.